Millions of people suffer burn injuries each year, and thousands require hospitalization or even die as a result of their burns. Burn injuries frequently result in extensive hospitalization and psychological counseling to both heal burns as well as aid in dealing with the mental trauma. If you or a loved one has suffered a burn injury in California, Cohen & Marsbon Law Corporation is here to help fight for you. Our firm has obtained verdicts and settlements in excess of $1 billion for our clients. These results place us among the state and national leaders in personal injury litigation. We have over 4 decades of experience representing hundreds of burn victims across the state of California. Our firm offers burn injury victims all the advantages of a large firm in terms of experience, knowledge, access to experts, technological savvy, resources, and most importantly, in terms of results. At the same time, we provide a level of personal attention, compassion, and friendly support that larger firms cannot compete with. At Cohen & Marsbon Law Corporation, we will evaluate your claim for free and help you recover compensation for your injury. If you or a family member has suffered a serious burn injury because of the negligent or reckless actions of someone else, call Cohen & Marsbon Law Corporation today for a free case evaluation.